Chances are, if you're watching this video, you've had the question of what do you do to build a senior rep program? How do you do it? I want somebody to tell me step by step. Well, you're in the right place because after running my senior rep program for 10 plus years, I'm going to be breaking down exactly how to do it from start to finish. So check out this video. Hey there, photography friend, Sean Brown here, and I am so excited that you are on this channel because if you are looking for things like pricing, marketing, and yes, how to start a senior rep program, after growing my business to 6 figures per year, now I help photographers do the exact same through having a business that is driven by freedom, time, and flexibility. And so if you're on this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss a single video. But we're gonna get straight into this because I've got a lot packed into this for you. And we're gonna try to keep it as short and tight as possible so that you can start getting your senior rep program up and running. Now, where we have to start is you may be coming in asking the question of what even is a senior rep program? And good news for you is that we do have some additional videos coming in the future, but for now, we'll just give you the brief overview because you may have been Googling online and you may have seen a senior photographer that you follow post about their senior rep program or their model crew, or sometimes they call them brand ambassadors. There are a million names for them, but it all means the same thing. So what a senior rep program is a group of individuals who is going to represent your senior photography business. It's going to be a group of people that partake in photo shoots, help market for you, and really are a part of your client experience. But where we're going to start is by making sure that you know what they are not. And what a senior rep program is not is this is not for you to give free photo shoots. It's not for them to model for you. Yes, they're modeling in the shoots, but we don't want to treat it like a model program because we don't discriminate based on follower count, what they look like, body image, anything like that. We're more focused on the characteristics of the people on my senior rep team. And that's actually one of the reasons why a lot of people really gravitate towards it. And then lastly, what this is not a job for your reps. This is not for them to bring you more referrals. Yes, that's going to be a part of it, but that's not how we're going to position it because we don't want to make it a job for them. They have enough on their plates. If you tell them they have to do a lot of work, well, they're going to be out of your rep program faster than you can even blink. So what this is really going to focus on 3 core things. It's going to be focused on friendships. We call this connection in our senior rep program. Getting to take part in photo shoots. This is how we do the cool creative shoots that they get to be a part of. And then lastly, it's also for them to capture that junior and senior year memories where they can look back on. Those are the 3 main reasons why people join our senior rep program. Now, with this in mind, we're going to now start from the very beginning of how do you put yours together? And we start with step 1, and that is defining the purpose of what your senior rep program is meant to do for your business. Now, in this section, you can have multiple purposes for your senior rep program, and mine fulfill all of them. The first purpose of a senior rep program that I love because it brings me so much stability in the business and can bring you stability in your calendar by bringing in early bookings. The early bookings part of this is probably my favorite part because 6 to 12 months in advance from when senior photos are going to be happening, usually it's about 6 to 8 months is kind of the average for what we see most of our students do, and that's what I do. But you've basically guaranteed bookings in your calendar before your actual calendar has even opened. So how wonderful that you don't have to go into the next season of your photography business wondering, are you going to book senior photo clients because you already have booked paid clients on your calendar? Because yes, every rep is going to be booked and they're going to be a fully paying client. The other purpose that a senior rep program can serve is for marketing. And I love this because with the marketing component, you're basically building year-round marketing. So When I'm in my busy season, we're not doing senior rep shoots, and in my slow season, we are. So what we're doing is we're basically doing photo shoots. They're taking photos, they're posting to their social media, their friends are seeing, and this is where the referrals start to come in, because the more people that see your rep program, that see people posting about your rep program or your business in general, the more inquiries you get, and the more inquiries you get, the more bookings you get. And this is where they bring in referrals just by simply posting. And we tell them that they don't even need to post, and guess what? They start posting. So it's a pretty cool like reverse psychology trick that we do with that. The other purpose that it can serve as well is for portfolio building, or keeping many, many different people in your website, on your social media, those types of things. I love this, especially for newer photographers, because as you're building your portfolio, it's easy to do a bunch of free photo shoots, but some of the things that can happen is that you start getting the same people over and over in your social media and in your website, and the only way to keep that fresh is to keep doing free shoots. Well, for me, I would much rather do a paid shoot with somebody on my rep program who I know is going to be spending money with me for senior photos than just speculatively photographing somebody who may or may not actually end up working with you. So this is a great way for newer photographers to do this. So when you're creating your senior rep program, you want to get clear on what is your purpose going to be. Is it going to be for booking early? Is it going to serve as a marketing system for you? Is it going to be portfolio building? And it's okay to have a variety of each of these in your rep program, and I do as well. The second step of your rep program is going to be what we call crafting your irresistible offer. Now, people, just because you have a senior rep program, aren't going to apply. They're not going to join it just because you say you have a senior rep program. You need to show them what it is about your rep program that they're going to get out of it. And one of the things that I always ask myself when creating a rep program, or even going into the marketing of marketing your rep program, is asking the question of, what is it that seniors today want? This is the best question that you can ask yourself, because if you can ask them that, or ask yourself the question of what is it that they want, and create a rep program that gives them what they want, well, that's a pretty irresistible offer. So one of the things that I always say is define what it is that they're going to get when they join. What is it that you're going to give them? So for me personally, in my rep program, it's broken into a few different categories, and this is going to be the photo shoots. It's going to be exclusive perks. So we even do a destination photo shoot where they have the opportunity to travel with their families. We also offer tiered referral bonuses. So if they do bring us referrals, again, we don't make it a requirement, but we want to say thank you if they do. We can add that into the program. And then this is also great too, at a time of offering something like $50 towards their senior session, because this is also something that's going to get the parents on board as well. So we want to have a mix of perks for the senior, perks for the family. This can be perks for the family, such as a free family shoot that mom has wanted to do for ages. So how it is that you craft this and what it is that you include in your program is ultimately up to you. But you have to be clear on like, what is it that they're going to get as part of your program. So once you've defined that, if it's going to be photo shoots, if it's going to be, maybe you offer like those tiered incentives, the next thing and the next step in the process is putting together your application. With the application, this is going to be something that they apply for. So no, you are not taking every single person who wants to be on your rep program, because we're looking for things like, is the applicant a good fit? Are they joining your rep program for the right reason? Is it for free photos, or are they wanting to be a part of a team and part of connecting with other individuals? That's huge. So if you don't have an application and you just let everybody in, you're going to cause a lot of headaches for yourself. Now, you may be asking yourself the question of, well, what do you put in the application? Good news for you, we actually included a free download for you. All you got to do is head to the description. You can grab our 9 must-ask senior rep questions, and you can just literally grab those, copy and paste them. And this is a question, or I should say a document of questions that I ask every single rep before they even join my team, that helps me weed out the good applicants from the bad applicants. Because You get one bad applicant in there, they get into your team, it's going to create a bunch of mess, a huge headache for you. So you want to avoid that from the get-go, and the application is the best way to do so. So make sure you grab that. With the application, what you're going to do is this can be hosted on something like Jotform. If you're just getting started, you could even use something as simple as your website contact form that you amend, but I like to do it through Jotform. It's an online program, it's free up to a certain point, and for those just getting started, just like you are most likely, it's going to be a great free alternative to something that's like a Google form. It's a little bit more professional. You can brand it, all these types of things, but we use that. That's how we host our own senior rep application and have for the better part of a decade. After you've gotten your application, you actually have to market your program. You have to get people to your application. And so this is going to be the fourth step of the process. So after you have defined what your program is, what you're going to offer, this is really where the magic comes in, because this is where you're going to get eyeballs in front of your application, in front of your senior rep program. And so the very first thing that you're going to want to do is to utilize any social media platforms that you have. So this is going to be posting teasers, like reels of like, hey, the application's coming, the senior rep team is forming, you can get in. It's going to be posting carousels, sneak peeks of maybe rep shoots that you are planning on doing. So think like putting together like a styled Pinterest board, saying something like, hey, do you want to be a part of this? And what we're going to do is we're going to market the application through social media. And in this process, and this is the key, this is like a pro tip for you, you want to focus on what is it that they're going to get out of your rep program. Every photographer in every city, for the most part, has some version of a senior rep program. You need to make yours stand out. And by the way, if everybody has a rep program in your area, that's a really good sign that it's something that seniors are looking for in your area. And so you don't have to maybe educate them on what a senior rep program is, because they may already be coming in with some sort of idea of what that entails. Now, once you've done the marketing on social media and focused on why it is that they want to be a part of the program, what we're also going to do is utilize direct messages. And this is something that may or may not be a little trickier for you if you have a social media presence, if people aren't following you or those types of things. And we actually have an entire course talking all about that. So if you're interested in that, we'll have the link in the description below for you so that you can see if a rep program is right for you and get all the tips and tricks of how to get kind of around that trickier DM process, because you may figure out that a lot of seniors have private Instagram accounts that you can't message, or that they don't follow you, so you can't message them. And so it's really tough to send them a direct message of saying, hey, here's our application. We'd love to have you as part of the senior rep program, but this is a core piece of my marketing strategy. In fact, most of our applicants, about 40%, come from us direct messaging them. So it's a great opportunity for you to be able to reach out and say, hey, we would love to have you as part of our senior rep program. Come join. This is also going to help with when you get a referral from somebody. So say this is a referral from a family friend or a past client, and they say, hey, so-and-so would be great for your senior rep program. You can send them a DM. And this is also part of our process, the referral process of getting names of juniors, or soon to be seniors, I should say, that are interested in joining your rep program. The other thing too, and I'll kind of make a note of this, is that you want to start your rep program their junior year. So if you're waiting until they're seniors, chances are in most markets in the United States, you're going to kind of miss the boat and you're going to be behind the ball. So we teach all of our students to start 6 months at least prior to their busy season. Lastly, the last step of this, after you've done all the things like figuring out what the purpose is, creating your irresistible offer, getting the application out and marketing it, the last step of the process is to actually run your program. So because you've got people on the team, after you've done the whole marketing process, you've had them apply, you've gone through our meeting process as well, since that's part of the application process, one of the things that you're going to do is actually run the program. So this is going to be things like planning out when your photo shoots are taking place, setting expectations, keeping boundaries, because if you don't have boundaries, if you don't set expectations, things like how many photo shoots they're doing, what's included as part of the team, and outlining that really before they even join, you're going to create a lot of stress and headache. So again, these are the steps that I would do if I was building my senior rep program from the very beginning. Have a timeline, have a clear plan of action when you're planning out your actual program and running it. And again, don't overextend yourself. It's very easy to want to do all the things, to offer all the things to your reps. But if you are run down, overworked at the end of the day, this is something that's going to turn into a lot of stress in your business and not something that is a huge booking machine. That's how I view it. So hopefully this was helpful. Leave some comments down below. If you have questions, we'll be answering those as well in the chat or comment section, whatever you call it these days. So make sure that you hit subscribe. Make sure you follow along because we're going to have more videos about a senior rep program out as well. And make sure to check the description because we've got lots of freebies, some video courses, trainings, all that stuff that are free that you can learn more about how to run a profitable senior photography business and how to get your rep program up and running. So make sure to check that out. Until next time, we'll see you over in the next video, and YouTube's got one for you right here. So check that out.